shut your mouth, thinking all about if you know what you've done. And just watch my mind go